Hi, my name is Helen, HR Manager of Beijing Hongdee Corp. I have been working in the field of HR management more than 7 years. Our company has a group of young talented people, diligent and passionate. I will continue to plunge deeply in the human resources field, so and to continuously empower every employee and improve their comprehensive ability to serve you. In short, it's our important mission to bring value to our customers and make them happy and satisfied. Thank you.
Greetings to you all. This is Brad. Having been dealing with ophthalmic equipment over 15 years, I'm really grateful to all of you who have been with us all the time with your support and trust. Just as our HR manager said, it is our core mission to bring value to our customers. That is also why we need to build up a great team. So today, I'm really honored to introduce to you those young talented people with Hongdee Corporation who are always ready to serve you with their passion and dedication.
Hello everyone, this is Rana with Beijing Hongdee Corporation, 15 years in making ophthalmic equipment and instrumentables. In the past years, all of the customers have been impressed by our high-quality product and excellent service. Here you can see this is a proper quality control room with experienced workers to secure the product quality, and we will continue to improve ourselves. I'm looking forward to working with you soon.
Hi, this is Leo with Hongdee Corporation, and now I'm in our sample rooms. In here have so many products. This is our product for Raptor, and we have exporting ophthalmic equipment over 15 years. I'm very proud to be a member of Hongdee Corporation, and my goal is also to serve my customers very well. That's all. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Diana, a new sales manager from Beijing Hongdee Corporation. Our company has been dedicated to the ophthalmology and optometry industry for 15 years. It's my great honor to work with such a professional team of Hongdee. And in the near future, I will try my best to enhance my working skills to better serve you and look forward to working with you soon.
Hi, I'm Lawrence, new sales manager, and it's an honor to be a member of Hongdee. And through learning, I find out being sales manager, it is not just about selling products to you, but also offering more solutions to you and bring more value to you. And I look forward to having more chances to cooperate with you and serve you in the near future.
Hi, this is Ginny, the sales manager of Hongdee Corporation. During my working career, communication with different people helps me get more friends, and I really enjoy helping them solve problems. These are also the reasons why I have such a passion in my daily work. I am so excited to working with you all and will do my best to provide you professional solutions of our products and services to help your business grow to a new level for our mutual benefits. Look forward to working with you soon.
Hello everyone, this is Coco with Beijing Hongdee Corporation. As an export specialist, my job is to assist our salesperson in fulfilling your order as soon as possible. Though I have been working here for only several months, I've learned a lot about the ophthalmology industry. I will continue sharpen my skills and knowledge and work hard to provide you excellent service to make sure you receive products sooner. Your satisfaction is my first priority. We look forward to working with you more.
Hi everyone, I'm Lina with Beijing Hongdee Corporation, responsible for the marketing and the promotion of Alibaba platform and the official website. My job is to make sure whenever you have need for ophthalmic equipment, you can reach out to us very quickly for professional answers and solutions. We are here for the reason you need us to be. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Alan, marketing specialist with Hongdee Corporation. I'm in charge of making customer photos and videos for our product team and our company. I will continue to do my best to provide you our videos customer marketing materials to survive your safety needs.